Usually, I describe those positive emotion need effort. Destructive emotion spontaneously come, isn't it? Even animal, even children, then these positive emotion, we need a lot of effort, a lot of reasoning like that. And once you understand, still not sufficient, familiarize. So therefore, without sort of seriously sort of judge or watch yourself or examine yourself. And for example, myself, I am monk, I am Dalai Lama, I am a holy person. I always carry teaching like that. So I feel I am something really, I create a lot of virtues. But then you really touch on earth, examine, 24 hours, what kind of my motivation coming, and my sort of action. Then sometimes you really feel shame. I promise all days practice, Bodhicitta practice, Shunyata practice, Deity Yoga practice. But often I carry these shawl.
No. I just do it on the side, like a side practice, not the main.
So really, myself compare on small insect. I think that insect quite honest, truthful. I study these things, some knowledge there. Also, you see the quite because of the conviction, quite strong conviction about these sort of things. Yet, negligence. Isn't it? So, if you think properly, examine yourself. We always examine other people. But first, examine yourself. It's most important, isn't it? At the real sort of danger, at the time of death, nobody help except yourself. So you must prepare when that situation, that time comes. You must have full confidence. Whole my life, rest of the later part of my life, I sincerely sort of follow, as a Buddhist, sincerely follow Buddha's sort of guidance, Buddhist teaching. Then I feel, at that time, full confidence. Cheva rup, chiva la terps. Ding misir tamam mingus.
So there is a saying by the Kadamba masters that the best of the practitioners actually are very willing to die, happy when death comes. And
because then you see that person, that practitioner, have 100% sort of sure next good life. So old body, some problem eyes here. Then happy now. Next year, I will take new, young, because of the fresh body. So,
and therefore, the best practitioners are happy when death comes. And then the intermediate level, the practitioners who are of intermediate level, they are not so unhappy with when death comes. And then the least kind of practitioners or the lowest kind of practitioners, they do not regret